Check out this mini handheld cordless vacuum for your car. This is really compact and it comes with a bag so you can store everything in it because it comes with a vacuum, but it also comes with a whole bunch of attachments and USB cable for charging. And this is some of the attachments here. And it also comes with an extra filter, and this part is for the other side to blow dirt and dust off. So here is the extra filter thingy, and all you have to do is just open the nozzle and take it out. It's very simple, and I think you will like it because this is very compact, like I mentioned, and you'll see later when I demo this vacuum. Anyway, here is the storage bag. As you can see here, everything fit in here and more. All right, let's charge this overnight, and this is the next day, all charged. I didn't even know that this came with a light, which is really awesome.